Students, we are starting once again our chapter of chemical reaction. In this chapter, number of topics we have finished, and now we are able to know what are the types of reaction, which reaction comes in which group. That all we have finished and we have practiced. I think you all have practiced, so that is easy to understand you. So oxidation reduction reaction already we have started. In that, oxidizing agent and reducing agent also we have finished. So this oxidation reduction when together it happen in the same reaction, it is called a redox reaction na. Oxidation reduction, both processes taking place in the same reaction, it is called a redox reaction. These all we have finished. Red means reduction, red means reduction, and OX means oxidation. Red means reduction and OX means oxidation. Already we have finished. So what is the significance of oxidation reduction in everyday life? Today we will see what is the significance of oxidation reduction reaction in everyday life. So this, I think you are able to characterize this oxidation reduction reaction little bit. See, burning of fuel we have talked number of times. This is called oxidation reaction because you know na, when we burn fuel, suppose LPG gas, kerosene oil, wood, it produces heat, and without air it is not possible na. So when in the presence of air it burn, it produces heat and light. So it is also called oxidation reaction na. So this is the significance of oxygen, we can say. Very simple example, and we daily we are doing this one. This is taking place in our surrounding. So this is oxidation reaction. This is the use of oxidation reaction. See, another one, respiration. Yes, we are respirating. I think in bio you have read this one, where glucose gets oxidized है ना. Food, here written, food get oxidized. So in food what we take? Carbohydrate, fat, protein, that gets digested. After that it turn into simple form. That simple form glucose gets oxidized and produce energy, release energy है ना. So this is also use daily use of oxidation reaction in our life. See, another one, iron. Iron gets oxidized to form rust. This is harmful effect of oxidation na, because iron utensils gets rusted है ना. So this leads to the corrosion of iron. So till now 3 we have seen. One is burning of fuel, another one is respiration. This burning of fuel and respiration is a useful example, but this rusting is not useful na. This rusting harm our utensils. This rusting harm our utensil. Yes. Another one is a metal. Most of the metal react with atmospheric oxygen and it lead to the formation of layer of metal article. So you will see when you purchase metal utensils, metallic utensils from the market, you will notice this gives a very shiny appearance, but after that slowly it become fade, its color become fade. Why? Because of this oxidation reaction. You can see very good example it is. See,
let us state some examples that we come. If you observe the storage container, this is made out of copper. It has lost its luster in course of time. I'll give you another example.
है ना. So already understood na, this type of utensil we used to purchase from market and it become fade color because means do not give shiny appearance because of the oxidation reaction. Again see, rusting of iron already we have seen, but for prevent it what we do, we paint it, we apply grease, apply oil on it, or otherwise we go for the process of galvanization where zinc gets coated over the iron utensil. Where zinc in this galvanization process, this zinc gets coated on the iron utensil, so it will not go for a rust na. So next one is fried food. See, this is the also harmful. In this, what happen? Our oily food gets spoiled. It is not good in taste because of the oxidation of fat, है ना? It is not able to eat because of the oxidation of fat. It is also called rancidity, है ना? तो fried food is often packed in airtight packets to prevent by rancidity, है ना? This is a not a good effect of oxidation, na? This is the bad effect of oxidation, but this oxidation reaction is taking place in our surrounding daily. See next one. We are able to utilize a various type of fuel. Already we have discussed that fuel gets oxidized and release heat and energy. See now corrosion. So corrosion means what? It may be due to the reaction with oxygen gas acid. We see this one due to the reaction with action of oxygen gas acid on the metallic utensil. That is called corrosion, है ना? So when iron react with atmospheric oxygen and moisture, a red layer, see, a red layer, I think all of you have seen this one. A red layer is formed on the surface of the iron. This process is known as rusting. See, this process is known as rusting. See, already we know in oxidation there is loss of electron. In oxidation there is loss of electron. So iron losing its electron and become iron. And this oxygen gaining this electron, this oxygen gaining this electron and form H2O. है ना? Already there is addition of hydrogen, so there is a reduction. Very clear it is, na? There is a reduction, and this one getting oxidized. Okay. So little bit you can see corrosion.
In course of time. I'll give you another example. This is also a storage vessel. It was bought recently, but it has lost its luster. So this is two vessels which I showed you. This is a decorative item, a lantern. This is made out of brass. It has lost its luster. It's got some coating around it. So these three items, when they are cleansed, this, when you add tamarind and salt or lime on this and you scrub it, it gains its luster back. It becomes shining. If you even observe that silver ornaments, they lose their luster in course of time. They start getting a blackish tinge on it as you use them. This is all because of oxidation taking place in our environment. So
Understood, students? I think this is clear in your mind. After that, next topic is rancidity. Rancidity, there is also oxidation taking place. When food containing fat oils are exposed to the atmosphere, it gets oxidized. To prevent this rancidity, what do? We put direct in the sunlight. Food should be placed at low temperature, means can be stored in refrigerator. By adding antioxidants, suppose nitrogen and another one. Packaging material should be replaced. The air moisture should not be there with nitrogen. Minimize the use of the salt in fried food. So again you watch video, another video. See, rancidity.
Acidity. Have you ever tasted or smelt the fat or oil containing food materials which have been left for a long time unused? These fats and oils which have been left for a long time unused get oxidized and become rancid. As a result, their smell and taste also changes. This process is called rancidity. Usually substances which prevent oxidation, also called as antioxidants, are added to foods containing fats and oil. Keeping food in airtight containers also helps in slowing down the process of oxidation. Do you know that chips manufacturers usually flush bags of chips with gases such as nitrogen so as to prevent the chips from getting oxidized?
I think it is clear, na students? So okay, today our chapter is over. So you, I think you have prepared your proper notes. Now whatever question I am giving, daily you are writing, and so many students are asking their doubts also. But please students, those who have problem, again you can ask, no problem. But pay attention and write now all questions of the NCERT book, exemplar question and exercise questions, and few extra question I will give you also. Okay student, thank you.